Do you know that to earn money online, there is one thing, and that thing is that you need to work hard. But today in this video, I'm going to talk about one of the best methods that you can use to make money without working hard, without doing any hard work. Let's begin now. To earn money online, there is a lot of methods, but one of the easiest method is honeygain. I have already made a lot of videos on this topic, honeygain, but this is a little bit different. So honeygain is a platform where you can use your mobile phone, your laptop, computer, your internet, and make money from your phone without doing anything. Just you need to do is that install the honeygain app on your phone or on your PC or any kind of phone, computer, laptop, anything you have. Just install the app, make your account, and then you earn money when you use your internet or when you do something on your computer or phone. But you need to turn on a honeygain app, and also you need to turn on your Wi-Fi. So this is the process to make money on honeygain. So it's simple, you can do it on your own. So the best thing about honeygain is that you don't need to work hard, and you can also instead of doing that, if you refer your friend, there is a program on honeygain called if you share the app with your friend, then you'll get more money. So this is the one of the best thing. And when you install the app, then you'll get $5, but you'll not get $5 if you install the app from honeygain.com. If you tap my link, and then then it will take you to honeygain.com, and then if you install the app through my link, then you'll get $5 on your account. So just go ahead, do it. Do not install the app from your browser. I mean, do not install the app directly on honeygain website. Tap my link, and then it will take you to honeygain site, and then download the app, or if you have a computer, then download the honeygain software from my link. Okay, and if you don't believe me, then just go ahead, try to download honeygain app from your browser by searching honeygain.com, and then if you download the app, then you'll get $0 on your account. But if you download the app by clicking on my link, then you'll get $5 on your account. So just go ahead, do it, and honeygain will change your life forever. So that's it for this video. If you have any question about honeygain, then you can go ahead, write your question in the comment section. It's only for you. The comment section is only for you. Go ahead, type any kind of question you want. And again, do not download the app directly from honeygain site. Tap my link, and then download the app, so you'll get $5 on your app, I mean on honeygain app. So that's it. See you soon. I hope that you have understood this easy method to make money online, and if you have any question, comment is for you. See you soon. Peace.